topic is use point plotting to graph plane curves described by parametric equations. So, to graph a plane curve represented by a parametric equation involves plotting points in the rectangular coordinate system and connecting them with a smooth curve. So we had to do like certain steps in order to graph this curve with the by the parametric equation. So we have that x is equal t squared minus 1, where t is the parameter, and x equals t squared minus 1 is called parametric equation, so y equals 2t is also a parametric equation, and this is basically the interval for t. So the first step that we have to do here is try to find values of t in this interval. So we have minus 2, from minus 2 or negative 2 through 2. So we can use minus negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So for this, we are gonna make a table where we have t, we have x equal, and then we have, the interval. So we're gonna do a table. So we have the first one is when t equals 2. So x is gonna be, negative 2. So x is gonna be three, because every negative that has an exponent even is gonna be positive, so it's gonna be 4 minus 1, 3. And then y is gonna be minus 4. So we have the first pair is 3 minus 4, negative 4. So we have negative 1 gonna be equals 0, and then negative 2, 0, negative 2. So we have 0, and we have when t equals 1, it's gonna be 0, then it's gonna be 2, 0, 2, then when is equal 2, so this is the first step, that is basically find or select the values of t. Then the second step is the one that we did, that is for each value of t we are gonna use the parametric equations to get the x and the y, as we did in here. And then finally we are gonna plot the points in order of the increase in t, and we are gonna connect them in a curve. So we are gonna do. I'm gonna try to do it. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry for the graphic, it's just like didn't use a ruler. So we're gonna plot first when t is equal -2. So it's gonna be x3, 1, 2, 3, and then y is gonna be -4. So it's close to here. This is when this is t equal -2. So then when t is -1, so it's gonna be 0, -2, -2. 0, -2 is gonna be here. Then when, okay, let's put here t -1. Then t0 is gonna be -1, 0. It's gonna be t0. Then t1, when t is 1, is gonna be 0, 2. Then when t is 2, it's gonna be 3, 4. So if we graph this, it's gonna be similar to this. So basically this is the graphic of the curve described by these parametric equations. I hope you could understand, and I will give more sample later. Thank you.